When more and more companies are taking their manufacturing processes offshore, a handful are adamant on bucking the trend by still making things right here on Australian soil. Digga, a Queensland-based construction equipment company, is one of those businesses. It specializes in machinery attachments including augers, buckets, trenchers and more. Established in 1981, the company is 100% Australian-owned and manufactures up to 95% of its products and components in a 12,500 square metre warehouse in Brisbane. However, Digga's journey to success has not exactly been smooth sailing. In March 2016, an electrical fire caused major heat and smoke damage to parts of Digga's offices and manufacturing facility. While the operation was up and running in no time, it took the company a full year to completely get back onto its feet. Despite the mishap, Digga continued to manufacture most of its products in the country, hence keeping over 180 staff employed. The company has also taken the opportunity to give its offices, facilities and equipment a much-needed refresh.
These are CNC saws, so they're all computer operated. We can do high volume cutting, we can do very precision cutting and allow us to be really efficient because time is money. We've got to compete against imported products that are imported at a much lower cost, and to keep pace with that we need to be very smart with our engineering and our processes. So after recent times of a factory fire that we went through, it has enabled us to update a lot of our machinery, so we are absolutely state of the art with, as I said, computerised saws, computerised CNC machines, laser cutters, plasma cutters, CNC robots, the whole lot. It all just works seamlessly to develop a really fantastic product.
24 welding bays are where some of Digga's core products take shape, including loader bodies and augers. While most of the components are handled by human employees, some jobs are handed over to a few new additions to the team, the welding robots. Since the fire, Digga has invested in several state-of-the-art CNC and cutting machines whose jobs are to turn pieces of dull metal into shiny, cut and finished components.
Here we are at our new laser cutting machine. It's one of the new additions after the fire. It's really allowed us to bring our product right up to date. It's allowed us to track it better through laser etching. It etches the part number into each item, so we keep full visibility of the part going through the system. It allows us to cut cleaner, less waste, and it also increases our speed.
However, among the shiny new pieces of equipment are several weathered but tried and tested machines, such as the gear cutters, which were untouched by the fire.
These are the first machines that Digga got to really step us ahead of everybody else. Instead of just having to buy other manufacturers of gears, Stuart, the owner of the business, still owner of the business, decided to make his own gear sets. So basically we turn a bit of steel into a gear. So we're not relying on other parties for their quality or what they want to do. We've built a gearbox entirely designed for the drilling industry. These are the original machines, still churning out hundreds of thousands of gears every year.
In addition to acquiring new gear for the facility, Digga has also improved some of its processes to churn out higher quality products and speed things along.
Here we are at the powder coating line, another new addition to Digga. Previously we two-pack, painted or quick dry enamel painted our product. This now allows us to push more product through and give a high quality finish. We have a whole assembly line of product that goes through, from washing to drying, powdering, oven bake and out. And there's anywhere from 300 to 450 line items a day go through the ovens. It gives a greater life out on the guys' trucks or sitting around in paddocks. Things don't rust or deteriorate.
At the end of the process is where products are stored, packed and dispatched. Digga stores up to 1.4 million individual parts on shelves in the warehouse, ready for picking and packing.
These guys can pack anywhere from 100 to 140 pallets a day, 2 semi-trailers minimum going out to deliver orders out throughout Australia, along with 2 containers a week to fulfil overseas orders.
And of course, front of house staff also got a brand new office, even new furniture to work in. It is certainly the dawn of a new era for Digga, which has moved on from the disaster to be stronger and better than ever.